2014 Hyundai Elantra camshaft positioning sensors. Alright, you're going to have a 10mm bolt. New sensor. It's got a clip on the bottom. You got to take it off to put the new one on. I already put the new one on, so I put the clip back in, but that clip's got to come out for the plug to come out. Then you just pop it right back in. Bingo. Right there is a 10mm bolt that goes in there. You put that right back in there. Well, if you can get it to the right point of adjustment, there you go. And it's in. Just tighten it down. You got one more right back. Let's see if I can get in the camera. Right back there. There's a 10mm bolt for it. Repeat the process, and that's how you change a 2014 Hyundai Elantra camshaft positioning sensor. Alright guys, then I'm going to be changing the crankshaft positioning sensor, which is going to be on the bottom down by the oil filter, and I will show you that, guys, on my next video. Thanks for watching another video with RC Journeys, where every day when RC is a journey. See ya.